What is up? Yora, kumusta mga kaibigan? We're here again in my house, in our home. And today we're going to do a couple of things. Number one, we're gonna unbox my studio equipment. And number two, we're going to try to set them up. And number three, we're going to do an output comparison of Canon EOS 750D with prime lens, 55mm prime lens, and Nikon D3300 body with 70 to 300 mm Tamron lens, no? So let's go. Photography studio backdrop. Lamp and diffuser, dalawa. LED lamp with remote control, adjustable. Meron na din siyang battery. Has a bag. So this is the umbrella and the diffuser. Probably this is the stand. Okay.
The other one.
So next one, yung ating stand ng ating backdrop. So we have 4 clips. And we have here the stand itself.
One. Get us started already. 1, 2.
Yan, so yan mga lods, magsiset up na tayo. Oh, the tripod I borrowed yesterday from my ex-student. But while I was setting this up, the package arrived from Shopee. So this is Shopee Express delivery. So let's open up the tripod also, then set it up. This one is heavier than my students. I think we have the same.
You're almost like roasting your students.
So here, wow, smooth.
One, two, three. My turn.
Where did you guys meet?
Well, we met with Sylvester. Oh, well, we met. Secret only.
Fix the lighting up. Pose 1, 2, smile. Oh, this one also.
I did it. I did it.
Run.
EOS 750D55mm prime lens. Nikon D3300 7300 Tamron lens.
Ayan, salamat sa panonood po sa aming vlog. Thank you so much for watching our vlog. Keep liking, keep subscribing, keep following our page, and see you in the next video.